So hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a really amazing day today. I'm going to be cleaning my closet, the hallway, and the family room. But before I get started, this video is sponsored by Poshmark. I actually have collabed with them before, and if you've been on my channel, you know exactly how this works. If you're unfamiliar with Poshmark, it's an app that you just download down on your phone, and this right here is my computer view of it. You can just shop so many different designers. You can find shoes, you can find outfits, you can find spring stuff. So not only can you sell, but you can also shop other items. So this is a really great option, especially if you're planning on cleaning out your closet for the summer. So if you're interested, my closet will be linked in the bio down below. And this is, again, first come, first serve. Once it's gone, that's it. That's pretty much it. Sorry that I kept you this long, but let's go ahead and get started on this cleaning, and I will see you guys. All right, you guys. So coming into the closet, the first thing I am going to be starting on is putting on the new knobs. You guys, can you see the hinges? Over the weekend I have been working extremely hard getting the new handles on and also the hinges. The video will be up in probably like another week. It has been long and hard, but I am definitely super excited. So in this video you guys get to see a little sneak or behind the scene footage of me going ahead to change up all of the hinges and the handles, and you guys, I think it just looks so good with the gray wall and the white doors. It just looks so sleek and so up to date, and I love it. I am just so excited for you guys to see the video. It's going to be amazing. So now that I've gotten my victory dance out of the way, we're gonna go ahead and start cleaning. But first things first is I'm gonna clean up a little bit of the mess from the doors and stuff and make sure I keep what I need. And of course, I'm going to turn on my Pandora and put on some music, because you know I need that good music to get to cleaning. So in relation to what I stated in the beginning of the video, I am taking out some of those garments that I know that I'm not going to wear in the summertime, and I'm going to go ahead and take a picture at this time and post them into my Poshmark closet. I will be leaving a link to my closet in the link down below if you guys are interested in any of the pieces. So again, first come, first serve. And then I'm going to go ahead and start going to my room and picking things up. I already told you guys, when I'm getting ready in the morning or whatever the case may be and I'm getting dressed, I have a tendency to not put items back, but I'm working on that. So now that I have the doors done, I am going to be putting my makeup organizer back on the door. And if you're wondering, I'm putting this kind of like plastic thing behind the door. I'm going to get some sort of foam to put behind there, simply because the trim and all the doors were freshly painted. I'm going to be going to my drawers. I ended up going into Home Goods and I found these really cute little box organizers, and I thought this would be perfect for like my bralettes, bra extenders, and any sort of contraption that I have, any sort of like beauty things that are like for your garment. And it worked out so perfectly because it fits perfectly and I'm still able to keep my bras on the side, and I absolutely love it. And it was only $4.99, you guys. $4.99. It was amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and put my bralettes in there and put like, you know, the crisscross stuff in the drawer, but I really do love how it turned out. I will definitely say, when you're shopping in these stores, to look in the back, pull things around and see what you find, because this was definitely a great find. Also, while I'm cleaning, I'm gonna go ahead and pull out my fragrances, you guys. I did not forget. I definitely have a summer or a spring fragrance haul coming up. So now it is officially on my island, which means it's time to put in work. Also, I ended up picking up these thank you cards from TJ Maxx. It's always good to let people know that you appreciate them. So over the weekend, I am going to be mailing out some thank you cards. But I'm going to go ahead and finish cleaning this closet, you guys. It's going to be a lot of picking up, putting away shoes, putting away clothing items, getting the laundry out and getting it downstairs, and also cleaning out my book bag because I have completed my first semester. I know a lot of you guys was interested in seeing my book and what I was doing in school. Well, here you have it. This is my drawing book or renderings. You can kind of see, looking at the book, that I definitely progressed in my drawing skills. So I'm really excited about that. So being able to provide my clients with, like, I guess you would say like a rendering or a 3D drawing of what they're looking for or something they're interested in, to me is a major plus, and I am just so excited. As you can see, I definitely had to do a couple of extra credit because, you know, them extra points do go long, honey. So I wanted to just go ahead and say thank you so much to you guys for supporting me. Looking at this book definitely puts me in an amazing mood. It makes my heart extremely happy. So thank you guys so very much for always supporting me. But back to cleaning. So I did go out of town over the weekend for Babe's birthday, and I never cleaned out my makeup bag, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean that and put all of the makeup items back. And I'm just gonna lightly clean off my vanity. It's not too bad. Normally it is really dirty. If you've been on my channel long enough, you know there's like a million and gazillion things on there, but today it was not that bad. So once I'm done cleaning off the vanity, I am going to be picking up items on the floor. A lot of it is like laundry, and then I gotta bring stuff downstairs. I know it looks a little junky, but really it's a lot of boxes and papers from the locks that I've been changing out. But once I get done with the closet, I am going to go ahead and move into the hallway. And like I said, the hallway is just full of a lot of boxes and also paper from changing out the handles. And as you can see, the doors in the hallway definitely got an upgrade also. So I'm definitely excited to be sharing my home with you guys. So I hope you guys are truly loving the progress. So now that I have my landing looking back a little normal, I am going to go ahead and jump into the family room. So over the weekend, I also shared this image on Instagram and in the community on YouTube that I went on ahead and I added the light fixture. So there's definitely stuff on the floor. Although the room may look clean, I promise you, when I was vacuuming, like, I was hearing all of this. So I know that the kids dropped food on there because we definitely had a really great family movie night in here, and we are getting amazing use out the room. And again, I am so very grateful for Ashley. I am so very grateful for you guys, and yeah, I'm just in a really good mood, you guys. So thank you. I am happy to report that my plant is thriving and she is doing very well. I don't know how long this is going to last, but I think I'm doing a pretty decent job taking care of her. I wanted to go ahead and open up the shutters and let some sunlight in, you guys, and then I'm going to go ahead and vacuum. I met you in the summer when you left, it was cold. Said we loved one another. Guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer. Our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you for so long. I met you in the So I'm going to go ahead and move the vacuuming to the landing outside. There was just a couple of more items on the floor that I didn't sweep up or dust up off the floor. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with the vacuum to pick up those items. And then I'm going to vacuum my closet. I did not vacuum my closet, you guys. I pretty much just cleaned and took everything off the floor. I pretty much just wanted to do like one major vacuuming. So I'm vacuuming now. But now that the room is clean, everything looks really good. I want to go into my closet and start pulling out those clothes. But I'm going to go ahead and grab some boxes, and I'm going to box and also write everything down so I can get you guys' shipping and everything correct. But I beg you, if you order something and for some particular reason the order is wrong, I please ask you to communicate with me. I will do my best to rectify any situations, you guys. Trust me, I will.
I'm starting to get used to it, think I'll survive. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we're wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control.
So now that I'm done with that, what I'm going to be doing is going in with some air freshener, and you guys already know, lemon verbena. It is my best friend. It smells really nice, and the closet looks really good. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take that spray into the family room. I just love when the house is really nice and clean and have a really good flow of air coming through with the ceiling fan. And then you go in with the air freshener. That is like the icing on the cake. It just kind of brings everything together and create this wonderful ambiance in my home. Your home might be totally different, but in my home, this is what works for me. But I really do love it. And I'm lighting up the candle I Love You from Bath and Body Works. And if you guys do not know, I think it has a little bit of that lemongrass kind of fragrance in it. But yeah, I'm loving it. So here is a look at the ceiling fan, you guys. And it just looks so amazing. I absolutely love it. It just keeps the room really nice and cool. And I'm telling you, the first barrier of odor in your home is opening up the window and adding a ceiling fan. It will definitely freshen up the room in a matter of seconds and minutes. I hope this video offered you a little bit of inspo to clean. I am absolutely loving our home. It's just like, it feels really good. And I know it may not seem like the family room was dirty, but I promise you there was like little, you can hear the vacuum like, you know, when it makes that sound, picking up stuff, because we ate in there last night and I know the kids dropped crumbs and stuff in there for sure. But definitely thank you so very much. That's number one. Number two, I told you guys before that I was going to continuously share other content creators that I found on YouTube that I thought was definitely binge worthy. The person's channel that I would like to feature today, that for you guys to go and check out, is Nina Renee. Like, her content is just really good. She does cleaning, she does planning, which I don't do because I'm unorganized, but I probably need to watch some more of her videos. But I do like her planning stuff, but I'm just not a planner. Like, I just put everything in my phone. But I think you guys would like that. And she does like shop with me, and the girl can beat her face. You guys are always asking me about makeup and makeup and makeup, and I know I have a whole slew of makeup, but I just don't do makeup every single day. And I think the biggest thing for me when it comes to makeup tutorials is having to list every single product. And even though your face might look real nice and like simple, you know, like a very soft beat, it still took a lot of product to create that. So most definitely check out Miss Nina. And that's pretty much it. I'm going to be leaving her link right here. If it doesn't work, it's going to be right here, because YouTube be tripping sometimes, you know, don't want me to be great. But definitely feel free to check her out in either one of these links. All right, so I will see you guys next time. Bye.